Nikhil, in your opinion, what were the surprises here? I think Karun Nair not picked for the champions, also explained by Ajit Agarkar very, clearly about why he wasn't picked. Was that a bit of a surprise? Also, by and large, the squad selection, the team selection, along expected lines?
Sneha, I think the entire team selection is on expected line. In fact, this is something that we had reported yesterday on India Today as well, that Karun Nair is unlikely to make the cut. And I'm going to give you the big talking points in this selection. As I said, none of it is a big surprise, but the big talking points, of course, one of Karun Nair, because he was doing very well in domestic cricket, but we had reported yesterday that it's unlikely he'll make the team simply because there seems to be no slot really open to fit Karun Nair despite his good form. You really need to have a batter who's underperforming to make that spot for Karun Nair. Unfortunately, that wasn't the case with the Indian ODI team. So that's how he misses out. The other big talking point was on Jasprit Bumrah's fitness, because the entire world was sweating. All Indian fans were sweating whether Jasprit Bumrah will be fit or not, because he's been India's #1 match winner in the recent past. And I think that's come as good news, something we'd also reported, that he is going to be selected not only for the Champions Trophy but even for the England series, where they will expect him to play at least one match ahead of the important Champions Trophy. And that's exactly what's happened. He will most likely play the third ODI versus England ahead of the Champions Trophy. So that's the other big talking point. The third big talking point is that of Sanju Samson. There were also a lot of reports doing the round that because he's now part of the T20 setup, he might supersede someone like a Rishabh Pant and make that
Right.
ODI squad. Again, we reported this on India Today, that unlikely that Sanju Samson comes ahead of Rishabh Pant, and that's exactly what has happened. He missed a bit of the domestic season, and that also seems to have gone against Sanju Samson. So Rishabh Pant
Okay.
has retained the place. So this is pretty much on expected line. The only one player who can consider him a bit unfortunate to miss out would be Mohammad Siraj. But I think
Okay.
with conditions in Dubai where you're taking 4 spinners, maybe you couldn't have fitted in another fast bowler.
All right. I'm going to thank you for the moment, Nikhil, getting in those details and putting that story into perspective. Well, that's all.